My name is Bailey Gareth-Brown, and I'm the Adult Services Librarian for the Latah County Library District. I hope you're really enjoying summer reading so far, and I hope you grown-ups are participating and planning to enter for prizes. We've got some really cool things lined up that I'm really excited about, and I think you will be too. And I hope you've also been really excited about our pickup projects. So this week's pickup project is something I'm really excited about. It's a really simple craft. We'll be making bookish canvas totes. So in your kit, you will receive a lightweight canvas tote, and you will get a few different designs with different quotes and a fabric pen. So I'm going to show you how to make your very own bookish canvas tote.